In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off Ruler in Outlook. Quick note before we begin. In Outlook on the web, the feature you're switching is called Rules. These are automatic actions that help organize your messages as they arrive. So when we say turn the ruler on or off, we're really talking about enabling or disabling mail rules. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search box, type Outlook. Then select the official Outlook website from the results. This will take you to Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account and proceed to your mailbox. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Outlook keeps most personalization and organization options. In the Settings panel, choose Mail to focus specifically on your email settings instead of calendar or general preferences. From there, select Rules. This section lists every rule you've created, such as moving messages to folders, flagging important senders, or assigning categories. It's a central place to see what's active and what's not. On the Rules page, you'll see each rule with a toggle next to it. Click the toggle to turn a rule on or off. When a rule is on, Outlook will automatically apply its actions to new messages that meet the rule's conditions. When it's off, the rule is paused and won't run. This is helpful if you want to temporarily stop sorting mail, for example, during a busy week, without deleting the rule you might need later. Most changes here save automatically, so you won't need to hunt for a save button. If you're unsure what a specific rule does, click the small drop-down arrow next to that rule to see a quick preview. This shows the conditions, like who the email is from or what's in the subject, and the actions, such as moving the message to a folder or marking it as read. Reviewing the preview is a great way to confirm you're toggling the right item before you make changes. A few practical tips as you work. Make sure you're in Mail settings, not Calendar, so the Rules option is visible. Remember that turning a rule on or off affects messages from this point forward. Existing emails won't be retroactively changed, and if you're in